Hi, welcome to Auto Price channel. Let's dive into the 2025 BMW X7, a three-row luxury SUV that impresses with its powerful engine, comfortable ride, and useful features. So buckle up. The 2026 BMW X7 will impress with its strong performance, helpful utility, and smooth ride, but an over-reliance on touchscreen-based controls and some confusing design decisions keep the X7 from claiming the segment crown. The X7 hasn't had a major overhaul since its debut in 2019, but 2026 brings some cool improvements, especially in driver assist technology. The new Driving Assist Professional package lets you enjoy hands-free driving with added safety. You can even change lanes just by looking in the appropriate mirror, no turn signals required. The X7's interior is full of luxury and technology. You'll be greeted by a large curved digital display that includes a 12.3-inch gauge cluster for the driver and a 14.9-inch touchscreen for the infotainment system. The cabin is packed with premium features: heated front seats, a spacious panoramic sunroof, a power-adjustable steering wheel, ambient lighting. The iDrive infotainment system is the star of the show, with a touchscreen and a familiar rotary knob on the console for easy access. Gesture controls are also available, but you may find them less intuitive as time goes on. The X7 offers several engine options to suit your needs: base model, 375 horsepower turbocharged 6-cylinder engine, M60i, 523 horsepower twin-turbo V8, Alpina XB7, 630 horsepower specially tuned V8. All engines come with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, ensuring a smooth and confident driving experience. The X7 handles well for its size, thanks to its air suspension and adaptive dampers. You can also opt for rear axle steering and active anti-roll bars for improved handling. The 2026 BMW X7 is expected to start at $84,700, but prices can vary depending on the trim and options you choose. Is the 2026 BMW X7 the ultimate luxury SUV? It certainly has a lot to offer with its powerful engine, comfortable ride, and high-tech features. However, its reliance on touchscreen controls and some design choices might make you think twice. What do you think of the 2026 BMW X7? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.